Hi, I'm Matt Badiali, and I'm here with your marijuana market update. I hope you all are having a great week. For those of you who are new to this service, please like and subscribe on the buttons below. This is where we take the marijuana market and break it down financially for real investors. And to that end, I want to talk about the Aurora Cannabis moves we saw. Many of you took the opportunity last week to put comments under the video, crowing about the big gains that you made on that one-day move. Aurora shares jumped about 50% in a day. Congratulations for those of you who made that trade. That's like running across 8 lanes of traffic and then crowing about not dying. There are far better stocks out there than Aurora that you should be investing in instead of speculating on whether or not this company is going to die. Remember, there were a whole bunch of people who really thought CanTrust was going to come back too. That stock went bankrupt and all the money they had invested went to money heaven. Aurora, just to set the table a little bit, they had to roll back their shares 12-1 just to get the share price up to stay listed. This is their company is not doing well. They're spending way too much money. Sales are going down. This was a $104 share price a year ago. It bottomed at $5.80, and that's split adjusted. So this thing has destroyed capital. And I don't see this management team getting that train back on the tracks anytime soon. So for those of you who got in and you made some cash, awesome. Get out now and put it somewhere where you have a real business in place. And I have a couple that I like to talk about, but here's the situation with cannabis. There are going to be some unbelievable winners. I compare this space to the energy drink space back in 2003, 2004. If you had gotten into a company like Monster Beverage back then, that stock went up 10, 15 times. And this wasn't a little company. This wasn't something that you were buying at 40 or 50 million market cap. This thing went from $350 or $400 million market value to well over $5 billion just in a couple years. And that really is the trend that I see cannabis stocks taking. So why not get into a real business or a great business model? I think Canopy Growth is probably one of the best for those folks who are looking to just dip their toe into the market with some safety. That's the one I would start with. I'm a big fan of Aphria. I think that's going to do really well. If you're looking for something a little different, there's one, the symbol's IIPR. It's Innovative Industrial Properties. This is a really interesting company. It's a real estate investment trust that has turnkey grow operations. So they maintain the grow house themselves. So that includes the HVAC, the high-end electrical connections so that they can run those powerful lights that they need. And if you were a grower, you would just come in and rent the property from IIPR and move right in, and you can start growing marijuana. The great thing about it is there are very few of these kind of properties where you don't have to invest as a grower millions of dollars to upgrade all of those aspects. IIPR does it for them, so they can just walk in and pay the rent and go. That's the benefit of that business model. I'm a real fan of that. So instead of playing in traffic with companies like CanTrust or Aurora, why not take a look at something that's a little more stable, a little more of an investment, like Canopy or Aphria or IIPR. So with that, for those of you, like I said, last week, that was pretty funny. Y'all made some money. Congratulations. I was very entertained by those comments. Leave me some more this week. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Let me know what you think of this video, and I will see you all next week. Bye-bye.